This is the best Jordan 1 to drop this year. It has good materials, nice color blocking, and has the UNC colorway, which, if history is anything to go off of, means this sneaker will resell for a premium. And right now, these can be had for a little over retail, which makes these a steal, and here's why. Are you tired of taking L's on sneakers or want to take your reselling game to the next level? Introducing TheNorthCop, Canada's most profitable reselling network. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, our community helps members get access to all areas of profitable items at retail. Take the UNCs for example. Our members copped hundreds of pairs. Click the link below and start copying sneakers for retail today. First off, let's take a look at the box these sneakers come in. Far from a normal Air Jordan 1 box, these come in a UNC themed box. A nice touch from Jordan Brand, and I'm loving it. It is just cardboard, but every detail counts. Now when you pop the lid off, this is where we're greeted with the sneaker. At first glance, the color combination looks incredible. Something about the black, white, and university blue just looks so good together. Let's not get too carried away here. Let's check out the leather quality. A brief history lesson: a while back, Jordan Brand released a pair of sneakers called the Shattered Backboard Jordan 1s. And these sneakers set the scene for quality. Leather on Jordan 1s have never been the same after these released. Since then, sneakerheads have been comparing every sequential release to the iconic Shattered Backboards. So, how do these hold up? Let's start with the most important part, the toe box. This is where the majority of the creasing and movement happens, so it's crucial to have softer leather so it doesn't crease like cardboard Panda Dunks. Well, let's just say Jordan Brand didn't disappoint. On this pair at least, the leather is buttery smooth, with nice beautiful tumbling all across the toe. These will age like fine wine, unlike some sneakers. Enough about the toe box, what about the rest of the shoe? Well, this is where it kinda ends. The mudguard and eye stays are just regular run-of-the-mill, flat black leather, nothing too special. What about the side panels? Flat white leather, not soft to the touch, but definitely not as stiff as Air Force One leather or Panda Dunks. And now onto the back panels. I wish Jordan Brand put the same plush tumbled leather from the toe onto the side panels, but at the end of the day, it's not a huge deal. We're met with a more stiff and flat leather. Has the leather always been like this? Let's compare these to the previous UNC sneakers, shall we? The most similar sneaker to compare these two are the Obsidian ones. At first glance, these look almost indistinguishable, but once you look closer, there are a lot of differences. Starting with the leather on the toe box. We don't have the same soft tumbled leather on the toe box, making the creases a lot more apparent. The leather around the toe is just regular flat leather, but when we move onto the back panels, here's where things change. Jordan Brand decided to put soft, buttery UNC leather where the shoe barely bends. And these aren't cheap either. Why would they put such nice leather here but not on the toe? That's a question for Michael Air Jordan himself to answer. Now on to the fun stuff. The UNC toes come with one pair of extra laces. I wish they came with more, but one is better than nothing, right? It's crazy to think that different colored laces can change the entire vibe of the sneaker. Here are some pictures of lace swaps. Comment down below which one's your favorite. Enough about the fine details, how do these look and feel on feet? For starters, these sneakers are exceptionally comfy. Padded and soft inside and around the ankle, plus the soft leather around the toe just makes it even more enjoyable. If you've never had a pair of ones, these fit true to size, so just pick up your regular size. I'm going to be pairing these sneakers with shorts, jeans, and carpenter pants to give you an idea of how they look when styled. Do they look best with jeans, shorts, or carpenter pants? Comment down below. So after looking at the fine details of this shoe and how it looks and feels on feet, I have to say that these are a masterpiece. You can't go wrong with a pair of Air Jordan 1s. They're just a staple in sneaker culture and streetwear. Not to mention the price of these. Currently they're just sitting at a little over retail, and when you compare these to the Obsidians, the much more expensive shoe with worse leather quality on the toe, it makes the UNC Toes a no-brainer. Do I see these staying at these prices forever? No, I don't. People that love the shoe are going to wear them, and that's going to result in a decrease of available dead stock pairs, lowering the supply. If you compare these to the Obsidians, after release they weren't reselling for much, but after some time they started to increase. This isn't investment advice, but it's fair to say that I see these rising in the near future. In conclusion, just buy these. It's a no-brainer for the price, and they're super versatile for all types of styles. Don't forget, if you're interested in starting your reselling journey or want to cop shoes for retail, click the link below and get started today. That's it for today's video. I hope it was informative in helping you make your decision on these sneakers. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more future sneaker content.